Welcome to the Maluka Academy. Myself Anil Kumar Skija. So today I will deliver the lecture for class 10th. Topic is arithmetic progression. Topic arithmetic progression. So in arithmetic progression we have derived the formula to find the nth term, sum of n terms, then arithmetic mean between two numbers. So all we have done. So for example, sum for n numbers in AP is given by n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So based on this we are doing questions. So the question is, the sum of n terms of three arithmetic progressions are S1, S2 and S3. So there are n terms for all. The sum is S1, S2 and S3. The sum, first term of each is unity and the common difference are 1, 2, 3. Prove that. So we are given that sum of n terms. S1 is, sum of n terms is n by 2 and first term is unity, 2 plus 1, n minus 1 into d is 1 in first case. That is, in the first series the difference is 1 and first term is 1. And in S2 we have got n terms, n by 2, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. And S3 n by 2, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 3. So being three arithmetic progressions, all of n terms, sum is of n terms, S1 only difference is of the common difference. In first series the difference is 1, second series difference is 2 and in third series difference is 3. What we are to prove? We are to prove that in this case S1 plus S3, S1 plus S3 is equal to 2S2. So this you want to prove. So first term being unity. So now we will find S1 will be equal to n by 2, 2 plus n minus 1. So this will be n by 2, n plus 1. So this will be n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the same as the case of sum of n natural numbers. So this is what it is, starting from the first point number 1 and difference is 1. So this is equivalent to sum of 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n. Now second is the case when the difference is 2 starting from 1. That is, the series will be 1, 3, 5 and so on. So all these are odd numbers, and yesterday we know that we have learned that the sum of the n odd numbers is given by n square. So this will be equal to n square. So this we can check from here. S2 is equal to n by 2, 2, 2n minus 2, this cancels out, this cancels out, this will be n square. And S3 is equal to, just check here, this will be n by 2, 2 plus 3n minus 3. So this will be n into n by 2, 3n minus 1. So now what we will do? We will do S1 plus S2. S1 plus S3 will be equal to, S1 is n into n plus 1 by 2 and this is n by 2, 3n minus 1. So n by 2 take common. So this will be n plus 1, 3n minus 1. So this cancels out. So n by 2 into 4n. So this cancels with 2n. So this is 2n square, which is equal to 2s2. So we have found S1 plus S3 is equal to 2s2. The next question is, this is the first question. Then second question is, The sum of first P, Q and R terms of an AP are ABC. Sum of P, Q, R terms in AP is A, B, C. P टर्म्स का सम A है, Q टर्म्स का सम B है, R टर्म्स का सम C है. तो इसमें हमने करना क्या है, शो करना है, शो दैट A अपॉन P Q माइनस R, B अपॉन Q R माइनस P, C अपॉन R P minus Q equal to 0. So this is very simple question. So first of all हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें एक सीरीज मान लेनी है जिसमें, क्योंकि इसमें हमने ये शो करना है ए बी सी इसमें इन्वॉल्व है, तो हम अज्यूम करते हैं लेट द सीरीज बी फर्स्ट टर्म ए एंड common difference D, and what we are given, SP, sum of P terms is A. So SP is equal to A, this will be equal to P by 2, 2A plus D into P minus 1 is equal to A. So implies that, so यहाँ से हम क्या निकाल सकते हैं, 2A अपॉन P किसके बराबर आ जाएगा, 2A प्लस D इंटू P माइनस 1. ये फर्स्ट इक्वेशन होगी. इसी तरह से SQ किसके बराबर है, SQ B के बराबर है, विच इज Q अपॉन 2, 2A प्लस Q minus 1 into D. So 2A plus Q minus 1 into D किसके बराबर हो जाएगा, ये 2B अपॉन Q. इसी तरह से 2C अपॉन R किसके बराबर आ जाएगा, 2A plus R minus 1 into D. Okay, this will be second, this will be third. Now what we have got, we have to prove A upon P into Q minus R. So multiply this by Q minus R, second equation by R minus P, and third by P minus Q, and add them. What do we get? We get 2A upon P into Q minus R plus 2B upon Q into R minus P, 2C upon R into P minus Q is equal to. Now this is, we can see that 2A into, here it is 2A, 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 we can take common and we will get Q minus R, R minus P and P minus Q. And then D is plus D into, it will come out to be P minus 1 into Q minus R plus Q minus 1 into R minus P plus R minus 1 into P minus Q. So as we can see that this cancels out, this cancels out, this cancels out. This is 0, 2A into 0. And similarly, we have already solved this question before. This all turned out to be 0. So this will be D into 0. So all this becomes 0. So this is what we want to show, that sum of all P, Q and terms, this will be equal to 0. So then we move to the next part. But before that, we will erase this. So moving on to the next question, we have the ratio of the sum of n terms of two APs are. The ratio of the sum of n terms. The ratio of sum of n terms of two APs are 7n plus 1 is to 4n plus 27. Find the ratio of their mth term. Find ratio of mth term. So इसमें क्या है, वी आर गिवन टू सीरीज, दो सीरीज है, दोनों की A1 और D1 अलग अलग हैं. तो उसमें क्या है, अगर उन दोनों का n टर्म्स का जोड़ करते हैं और उसकी रेशो दी हुई है 7n, सो वी कैन से दैट वी आर गिवन S1 upon S2 is equal to 7n plus 1 4n plus 27. What will be the S1? This is Sn of first series, Sn of second series. So Sn of first series is given by n by 2 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1. So here different is only a1 and d1, n is same in both the cases, n by 2. Here it is 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. So what you can check the formula. This is very much easy. We are using the formula for sum, and this is the sum of n terms of 2AP. 2APs means the different values of A and D. For first series we have taken A1 D1, for second series we have taken A2 D2, and ratio is given as 7n plus 1 upon 4n plus 27. So we cut it, this can be cut out. We are left with 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 upon 2a2 n minus 1 into d2 is equal to 7n plus 1 4n plus 27. So we want to find the ratio of their mth term. So for that what we will do, we replace. So this is a shortcut, n by 2m minus 1. So what we do, in the above equation we replace n by 2m minus 1. So what we will get, 2a1 plus, for n we write 2m minus 1, then minus 1 into d1 upon 2a2 plus 2m minus 1 into d2 is equal to 7 into 2m minus 1 plus 1 upon 4 2m minus 1 plus 27. So what we have we have replaced n by 2m minus 1. So what will happen with this, just check it. So this will be 2a1 plus 2m minus 2 into d1 upon 2a2 2m minus 2 into d2 is equal to, this is 14m minus 7 plus 1 8m minus 4 plus 27. So this will become, so divide this by 2, whole equation by 2, we will get a1 plus m minus 1 into d1 a2 plus m minus 1 into d2, this is equal to 14m minus 6 8m plus 23. So this is the mth term of first series, this is mth term of second series. So this is first series, this is second series, this is 14m minus 6 upon 8m plus 23. So this we can get as the answer. So this result will be equal to 14m minus 6, 8m plus 23. So then next is then we are given the ratio of the sum of m and n terms of an AP is m square and n square. So एक AP है उसमें हमारे पास m टर्म्स और n टर्म्स की रेशो दी हुई है. So we are given Sm upon Sn is equal to m square upon n square. तो इसमें हमें क्या पता करना है? What we want to show that ratio of mth term and show करना है to show Tn किसके बराबर आना चाहिए? This is equal to 2m minus 1 2n minus 1. Okay. So just look for this question. So what is Sm? Sm can be given as m by 2, 2a plus m minus 1 into d. This is sum of m terms in AP upon n by 2, 2a, n minus 1 into d is equal to m square upon n square. So ये 2 से 2 कट गया, 2a m minus 1 into d upon 2a n minus 1 into d is equal to m square upon n square. और ये जो m upon n था इधर जाके n upon m बन जाएगा. So ये बन जाएगा आपके 2a plus m minus 1 into d upon 2a n minus 1 into d. ये ऐसे लिख दिया, ये कट जाएगा इससे. सो दिस विल बी m अपॉन n. अब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं तो क्या आ जाएगा? 2an प्लस m माइनस 1 इंटू एन डी इज इक्वल टू 2am n माइनस 1 इंटू m डी. अब इसको इधर ले आओ, 2an माइनस 2am प्लस mn माइनस n इंटू डी माइनस mn माइनस m इंटू डी इज इक्वल टू 0. So take 2a common from here, this will be n minus m plus this is mn minus n, this is mn plus m into d is equal to 0. So these two cancels out. Here it is n minus m. So 2a n minus m, take minus common from here, minus d m minus this will be n minus m is equal to 0. अब डिवाइड कर देते हैं n minus m से, क्या आ जाएगा? 2a minus d is equal to 0, 2a is equal to d. सो ये रिलेशन हमने फाइंड कर लिया. अब हम क्या करना चाहते हैं? इसकी रेशो चाहते हैं निकालना. अब यहाँ पे रेशो निकालेंगे. Tm क्या होता है? a प्लस m माइनस 1 इंटू डी. अब a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी, ये क्या होगा? d की जगह 2a भर दो, a प्लस m माइनस 1 इंटू 2a अपॉन a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू 2a. a से डिवाइड किया, क्या हो जाएगा? 1 प्लस m माइनस 1 इंटू 2 अपॉन 1 प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू 2. दिस विल बी 1 प्लस 2m माइनस 2 अपॉन 1 प्लस 2n माइनस 2, 2m माइनस 1, 2n माइनस 1. सो यही हम शो करना चाहते थे. सो दिस वी हैव प्रूव्ड दैट the ratio is given by 2n minus 1 to n minus 1. Okay, now we move to the next part, but before that we will rub this part. Then next question is, if we insert 4 AMs between half and 3, question is, insert 4 AMs between half and 3. What you want to get here? Then find third AM. Find third AM. Now we know that we can find the value of D. D is given by B minus A upon N plus 1 in case of N arithmetic means between A and B. So this is the formula we can use. So difference will be equal to B क्या है यहाँ पे 3 है, A क्या है half, N क्या है 4 करने हैं 4 plus 1. So this will be 5 by 2 upon 5. ये कट गया. So D की वैल्यू आ गई हाफ. अब हमने निकालना है थर्ड AM. थर्ड AM किसके बराबर होगा? थर्ड AM will be equal to A plus 3D. So this will be A की वैल्यू क्या है 1 by 2 plus 3 into D, 3 into half, half plus 3 by 2 which is 4 by 2, कैंसिल करके ये आ जाएगा 2. So result is 2 here. Then next is, if n arithmetic means are inserted between 2 and 38, n arithmetic means inserted between 2 and 38, and third AM is 14, and third AM is 14. तो हमने क्या पता करना है? n की वैल्यू पता करनी. n is equal to, तो इसमें हमारे पास थर्ड AM दिया है. थर्ड AM 14 है. थर्ड AM इज इक्वल टू 14 जो किसके बराबर होता है? A प्लस 3D के बराबर होता है 14. A की वैल्यू कितनी है 2 प्लस 3D इज इक्वल टू 14. 3D इज इक्वल टू 12. D इज इक्वल टू 4. तो D की वैल्यू 4 आ गई. और हम D इधर से भी निकाल सकते हैं. D किसके बराबर होता है? B माइनस A अपॉन N प्लस 1. और वी कैन से N प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू B माइनस A अपॉन 4. सो N प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू B क्या है 38, A क्या है 2 अपॉन 4. N प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 36 बाई 4, ये कैंसिल करके 9 आ गया. N इज इक्वल टू 8 आ जाएगा. सो देयर विल बी 8 अर्थमेटिक मीन्स फॉर दिस. Then next is, find the common difference of AP. So question is to find difference of AP, जिसमें हमें क्या दिया है? Whose first term is 5. Whose A की वैल्यू तो 5 है. ओके. और क्या दिया है? Sum of first 4 terms. Sum of first 4 terms किसके बराबर है? इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ is half the sum of next 4 terms is equal to half sum of next 4 terms. तो अब इसमें हमें क्या दिया हुआ, क्या निकालना है हमने? लेट्स सी दिस क्वेश्चन. सो पहले तो हमें दिया है सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 4 टर्म्स, दैट इज A1 A2 A3 A4 किसके बराबर है? हाफ ऑफ A5 A6 A7 A8. सो 2 को इधर ले आओ, क्या हो जाएगा? 2 A1 A2 A3 A4 is equal to A5 A6 A7 A8. ठीक है. सो दोनों तरफ ऐड कर देते हैं. adding a1 a2 a3 plus a4 to both sides. जब दोनों तरफ इनको ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, a1 a2 a3 a4, ये 3 टाइम्स हो जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू ये बन जाएगा a1 a2 अप टू a8. सो ये क्या हो गया, 3s4 इज इक्वल टू s8, ये आ जाएगा हमारे पास. अब इसमें हम फॉर्मूला लगा जाते हैं, 3 इंटू 4/2 2a, a की वैल्यू कितनी है 5, 2 इंटू 5 प्लस 4 माइनस 1 क्या हो गया 3d इज इक्वल टू 8/2 2 इंटू 5 प्लस 7d. सो ये हो जाएगा हमारा, ये इससे काट दो, सो ये 12 हो गया, 10 प्लस 3d इज इक्वल टू 8, 10 प्लस 7d. So this will be your, we can multiply it, 120 36d is equal to 80 plus 56d. So this will be 56d minus 36d is equal to 120 minus 80, 40 is equal to 20d, d की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 2. So here the difference will be 2. So this will be the result. Then एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन और है, if nth term, which term of the sequence is first negative term? So वो हम इधर करेंगे. So which term of the sequence is the first negative term? That is, sequence क्या है 20, 19 1/4, 8.5 is first negative term. Which term? तो कौन सी टर्म हमारी पहली नेगेटिव टर्म होगी, दैट इज वी वांट टू फाइंड हेयर Tn शुड बी लेस देन 0 फॉर व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ n, फॉर व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ n Tn इज लेस देन 0. सो हेयर वी कैन फाइंड द डिफरेंट पैरामीटर्स. वी हैव a इज इक्वल टू 20, d इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज 77/4 minus 20, so this will be minus 3/4. Now we can find Tn less than 0, this is a plus n minus 1 into d less than 0. a क्या है 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 3/4 less than 0, 20 less than, ये उधर जाके पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा 3/4 n minus 1, 80 less than 3n minus 3, 83 less than 3n, or we can say n is greater than 83/3. So 80/3 is 27, 2/3, it means it should be greater than 27. So n should be equal to 28. So 28th term will be negative. So 28th term will be first negative term. तो यहाँ पे हमने देखा ये 27 2/3, लेकिन ये टर्म either it can be 27th or it can be 28th, but now it is having 27 and fractional part, so we take the next term. So this get you the 28th term will be the first negative term. So this completes your arithmetic progression. So I think you must have understood this chapter very well. So in case of any problem, just contact me to solve your doubts. Now next we will be starting with the new chapter with the next lecture. Thank you for listening this topic. Thank you very much.